Brakes are some of the most integral parts of a car. Nobody would imagine driving a car without good brakes, because of the significant risk of life and limb. But the good news is that, many brands in the world will serve you with top-grade brakes. One such brand is Hart. This brand has quite a few products on the market. That could confuse you about the ones you should choose for your car. However, I am here to help. I bring you the top 5 best Hart brakes reviews. Let's get them. Number 1. Black Hart Brake Rotors and Ceramic Pad BHCC.67069.02. These Hart brakes come with a complete kit, so you can install it all together and save yourself from later trouble for a good while. These brakes are also durable and will not break down or warp easily. For increased lifespan, the rotors have been coated with black zinc. This helps avoid corrosion and rust from the water, oil, and grime that could get on them. Highlighted features: smooth performance, good price, fast stopping, ease of installation, anti-corrosive coating. Number 2. Black Hart Brake Rotors and Ceramic Pad BHCC.42102.02. I bring you another model that at first is quite reminiscent of the first one. This kit also comes for both front and rear and is ready to install when it comes. You do not have to modify anything, instead, you can directly bolt the rotors on. To keep the noise and dust to a minimum, advanced ceramic formulated pads have been used. This gives you quiet, consistent performance. Highlighted features: inexpensive, ease of installation, anti-corrosive coating, good stopping power, better ventilation. Number 3. Fit 2006 to 2010 Hart Brake Rotors plus Ceramic Brake Pads. These black Hart brakes come in a full set. They have all the signature features of the brand. The black color comes from the black zinc coating on the rotors, which leaves them looking shiny. It hits a reasonable price point, and considering its longevity, this is a perfect option. Highlighted features: inexpensive, ease of installation, durability and longevity, good stopping power, lack of dust and noise. Number 4. Fit 2003 to 2006 Hart Full Kit Brake Rotors plus Ceramic Pads. This set has all the excellent features of the other black Hart rotor sets, most notably the advanced ceramic formulated pads and the precision slots. The ceramic pads keep things quiet and clean, while the slots generate more stopping power, resulting in short distance brakes. Highlighted features: good ventilation and heat dissipation, low noise and dust collection, anti-corrosive coating, ease of installation, good fit on the right car model. Number 5. Fits 2009 to 2015 Black Hart Slotted Brake Rotors and Pad. These rotor and pad combinations have all the perks of its siblings. Black zinc coating is a prominent feature in these rotors. They will keep water, dirt, oil, dust, etc. from making direct contact with the actual material of the rotors. Highlighted features: good fit, especially with intended cars, excellent stopping power and short braking distance, lack of noise, lack of dust, anti-corrosive coating. Now, you can easily get one for yourself. My recommendation would be to buy one which works for virtually any car. It should also give you the added benefits of cross-drilled holes and precision slots. So, you should go to one of the first 3 products on this list. Thanks for watching.